just wanted to have a little talk with you about some pretty good protein treatments out there to put on your list to try if you need one. This is Methi Sativa Tea Damaged Hair Therapy. It's a two-part protein treatment by Ayurveda, and I think you get both of these right now for pretty good price. I think it's around $30 for the set, maybe $35. And as you can see, this is a protein treatment. As you can see, this is rather creamy. So it's a very creamy, stiff. The protein treatment doesn't move, whereas the moisture facet is very much, this one is very much a moisture treatment. It is not a creamy product at all. So I'll tell you a little bit about the effect of these on my hair. I used them and I found my hair was soft, it was strengthened, but it did have a tinge of hardness. Not as hard as when I've used some stronger protein treatments, but it was definitely a hard protein. It did strengthen my hair, it did reduce any breakage I was experiencing, which is what we use a protein treatment for. See, it says damaged hair. We use it to reduce our breakage, strengthen our hair, and just have more beautiful hair and be able to grow it longer and flowing. So it did what it was supposed to do. I found that I needed to follow up this restorative conditioner with a very thick and creamy leave-in, because this alone would not have provided me with enough moisture to balance out the protein in this product. So if you get these two and you think, okay, I've used this, now I can blow dry my hair, no. It even says on the back of these to air dry your hair after you use them, because this is a pretty good medium strength protein treatment. So it's really good if you're natural and you need protein because of combing and traction and hair weave, braids, all these sorts of things that do damage your hair over time. This is a good set to consider as a medium protein. I can't use this and then use a lightweight conditioner after it. I have to use something that is quite a bit stronger. It has sea kelp and marine collagen in the product. This is the first step, which is your protein step, and it has an Indian blend in there, and you put this on just for 5 minutes, and then you follow it up. I think it's 5 to 15 minutes, and then you follow it up with this Methi Tea Damaged Hair Therapy Restorative Conditioner. Now this product here, if you can kind of see it there, it's a liquid, so I wasn't sure about that one. I'll show you better. See it there? It's a liquid. It's not very creamy, but it does work. It did a very good job of moisturizing my hair after the protein treatment, and it brought it into some level of balance. I continued using the Ayurveda products, and I used Busy Izzy's Get Buttered Up as my leave-in moisturizer. And I'm going to show you this one. So you can see the Busy Izzy's is a creamy moisturizer. It's quite thick. It doesn't really run. See, it's very thick. See how it's moving? And it has a good amount of moisture in there. So that's what I used. And even with that, it wasn't quite enough moisture for me. So after I put the leave-in in, I used the whipped pudding. Okay, so you can see I'm running out of the whipped jelly, but this product here actually gave me the right amount of moisture balance after using the protein treatment alongside the leave-in conditioner. So the main ingredient in this is aloe vera, and it's designed to have hold, but it's a soft hold process. I'm sorry about the hair there, but this is my product that I used, and I was able to get the appropriate moisture balance. When you use any type of protein treatment for your hair, The most important thing to do is make sure that you have a good moisture balance afterwards. So your hair may stop breaking, but if your moisture balance is thrown off, you can expect to have breakage at a later period in time, and maybe more severe than the breakage that you're complaining about now. So make sure that you baby your hair after a protein treatment until you get that softness and balance back to your hair that you need to have healthy, strong hair.